In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Hostinger Website Builder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by accessing the Website Builder editor. Log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. From there, go to the Websites menu, select the site you want to edit, and click Edit Website. This will launch the visual editor, where you can make changes directly on your pages. Next, add a contact form section where it makes the most sense for visitors to reach you. Scroll to the part of the page where you want the form to appear. You can add it as a brand new section by hovering over the horizontal border between sections and clicking Add Section. From the left menu, choose Contact Form and pick a template that fits your design. The builder will add the section automatically. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, open the Add Element panel on the left. Find the contact form element and drag and drop it into an existing section. Either method gets the form on your page quickly while matching your layout. Once the form is in place, configure its settings. Click the contact form and select Edit Form from the floating menu to open the Settings panel. In the General tab, rename the form so submissions are easy to track, especially useful if you use multiple forms across your site. Specify the recipient email address, where notification emails should be sent. Use an address you check regularly and consider a shared inbox if a team needs access. Customize the fields and the Submit button to collect the information you need without overwhelming visitors. Click Edit Fields to see the default fields like name, email, and message. Add new fields by clicking the plus icon and choose from types like short answer, paragraph, and multiple choice. Mark fields as required only when absolutely necessary to avoid discouraging submissions. Rearrange fields by dragging them into the order that feels most natural. In button settings, you can change the Submit button text and alignment to match your tone and layout. In success message settings, write a friendly confirmation message visitors will see after submitting, or set a redirect to a thank you page if you prefer. When you're satisfied with the form and its settings, publish your changes. Click Update Website or Publish in the top right corner of the editor to make the form live. After publishing, send a test submission to confirm notifications arrive, and the success message or redirect works as expected. That's it. Your site now has a functional contact form ready to